Salitral in Ollantaytambo. Hi amigos, Ollantaytambo is an Inca archaeological site located in Cusco, Peru. During the Inca Empire, Ollantaytambo was the royal estate of Emperor Pachacutec, who conquered the region and built the town and a ceremonial center.
My name is Ronald. I'm going to be your guide today. Ollantaytambo is considered still today an Inca living city because most of the houses here they still preserve the origin and they still are Inca houses. So most of the people that are living here, they are living in the real Inca houses too. The houses made of the stones. So you can see the fountains and the canals to the right side. The water is coming from the glaciers to irrigate all of the farming fields here. Still an Inca original avenue. Es una avenida Inca original. Ollantaytambo. It is a very nice Inca site.
The emperor rebuilt the town with sumptuous constructions and undertook extensive works of terracing and irrigation in the Urubamba Valley. Once you reach the top after having climbed 200 steps, you will be able to appreciate an amazing view of the sacred valley from the Temple of the Sun. These are located at the top of the site and appear as they have been unfinished construction. 6 colossal stone blocks of rectangular shape made up this temple. I didn't go there. The complex has 4 areas that included a town, Temple Hill, ceremonial section, and the agricultural area.
It's amazing how they did terraces, how they carved the stones, how they polish so nicely.
If you have some time, I recommend you to stay at Ollantaytambo and enjoy the market and the city itself. It is very pretty. I had a good time. Thank you, Ronald. Well, amigos, that's all for today. Bye-bye.